I bring a lot to the table. I'm a realtor and a general contractor, but when you're looking in other markets, in other states, you're not able to put money into a deal. When you're trying to get a team together, how do you decide what your part is in the group?
Asking for a friend.
All right, but then in another comment she wrote, I know I have a lot to offer in my local market, but when I'm thinking of calling and asking other agents or GCs in other markets, I have no money to bring with me currently, having a hard time seeing my value out of state. All right, so Macy, what I'm gonna just do is tell you, like, when I was brand new in real estate investing, well, first of all, I'm not a realtor, I'm not a contractor, and I didn't have any money. So what value do I bring to the table? Well, one, I was getting educated on how to do it. Two, I was willing to put in the time to figure it out, to be dialing for dollars, talking to realtors, building the team, all of the effort that goes into, one, learning how to do this, and two, doing it. That is what you're bringing to the table, because there's all sorts of people who have money and they're like, okay, cool, I have money, but I don't have time to like learn how to do all this, or I don't want to learn how to do all this. I have capital, I'd love to make a return. The value you bring to the table is the knowledge and the willingness to go make it happen, and you joint venture and you do the deal together. So part of the thing that's difficult for you is because in your mind, the things you bring to the table in your local market, as if that's part of it. You are a real estate investor separate from that. And when you're in another market and you've learned how to do all of this, that is very valuable for someone that needs to put their money to work and has no idea how to do it. That's what you bring to the table. That's how I started my entire career, was just teaming up with someone who didn't have as much drive as me
or had an ass load of money.
But they had money, and I was like, yeah, let's do it. You got the money, I'll make it happen. And we partnered up, and now we all benefit as a result. So you need to shift that mindset to your value is the time you're spending here and in the challenge and learning and doing. That's the value, okay? It has nothing to do with capital. When you're talking to out-of-state team members, you just let them know, yeah, you have a business partner. I wouldn't say a team because it sounds suspect. They're like, what do you mean a team? So if you just say my business partner, that just is believable in people's mind.